Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi! Hello, Uma! My bunso! My very love bunso, no? Ayan, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Bunso, happy birthday! Hello, Tito, happy birthday! Oh, ayan, oh, hindi ba? I wish you all the best, bunso. At thank you, kahit hindi ka masyadong active sa mundo ni Meta, pero sinusuportahan mo si ate, and I really appreciate that. Happy birthday! Love. Enjoy your day, bunso. And every day. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tol. Patanda ka na, Tol. Nadagdagan ka na naman ng isang taon. Patanda ka na ng patanda. Kaya ingatan mo ngayong sarili dyan. Hindi ka na pabata, Tol, ha? Hindi na tayo pala pabata. Hindi lang ikaw. Tayo patanda na ng patanda. Enjoy your day, Tol. Ingat kayo dyan palagi ni Ninang. God bless. Love you, Mama. Chup chup.
Ciao, Tol. Today is your special day. Happy birthday, Tol. Ang wish ko lang para sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. At lagi mong tatandaan, malayo pa pero malayo na. Enjoy your day. See you soon.
Uma, happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come, more cakes to slice, more candles to blow, and more wine to cheers. Happiness, nandyan na yan. Kasama mo na si Jen, so sana tuloy-tuloy lang at good health. At sana lagi kayong masaya. Sana maging okay lahat ng mga plans niyo ni Jen. At sana makasama niyo na rin si Ken. Makauwi kayo. At higit sa lahat, sana makakuha na kayo ng bahay para makapagbakasyon na kami dyan. Char. Salamat sa friendship na kahit malayo tayo nila Jen, continue pa rin. May communication pa rin tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy yung friendship natin. I miss you all. I miss you. Na-miss ko kayo ni Jen. Sana darating yung araw na magkasama tayo ulit. Magka-banding. Yun lang. Salamat sa friendship. Happy birthday!
Hello po, ito, Uma po. Happy birthday po sa inyo po. I wish you a happiest birthday po. Tapos po, sarap pa makapunta na pa kayo po dito. At sana naman po, maging okay na pa kayo dyan po. At ingat po kayo dyan. So, happy birthday po. Ito, Uma. Love you po. At ingat po kayo dyan.
Hi, Brad! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best! More blessings!
Happy birthday!
Good health! Mwah!
Enjoy your day! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Say happy birthday to Nino!
Bye! Happy birthday!
Hey, birthday!
Lucas, we love you!
Shy! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uma. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, ate. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, more success in life, at sana maging masaya ka palagi. Mag-iingat kayo dyan ni Ate Jen, and see you soon. Love you. Love you both.
Hi, ate. Happy birthday to you. 40 years old ka na. Wish ko sana maging masaya ka ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman. Wish you also good health at hindi ka na nabata. Don't eat me less pork, less baby pork, okay? And yun, alam ko masaya ka naman palagi kasi nandyan si Ate Jen sa tabi mo, nagpapasaya sa'yo. Love, love lang palagi. At God bless you both. And I love you both. See you soon and God bless.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Sherlyn! You're now 40. Wow, reminds me that I'm really old. But, well, my wish for you is, bang wish ko? Live happily. Fulfill your dreams. Just go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Believe in yourself. Everything is possible. And never forget that we love you. Happy birthday!
Sherlyn, happy birthday. Malapit na.
Oho.
Mag-aanda ka. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lang. Yan. Oh. Kasama mo yung girlfriend. Kasama mo dito. Ito, makita ko. Asya, mag-iingat ka rin. Pugi ka pa ka rin. Pugi. Maghahanda ko lang anong gusto mong ihanda. 4. Pag uwi mo. 4. Lain ako pag alang 4.